So how are people making money with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? Now there's a ton of videos out there that discuss over this, but there's very rarely any videos out there. I haven't spotted any videos that talks about how to still make money with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency even when the market is slow. There are still people making money with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency even when the market is slow. And that's exactly what we're going to be covering in today's video. So what's the deal? What's happening right now with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? Well, we're going to be creating a video later on about why the market's down. But in this video, we're going to particularly focus on how you can make money. Because that's the most important thing, right? Like all this other BS out there, it doesn't matter unless it makes you money. So we're going to jump right into it right now and still show you how people are making money with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Now, in anything that you do right now, whether it be Bitcoin or crypto or stocks or foreign exchange, anything that you do, no matter how shitty the market is, there are still people making money from it. There are still people cashing out and getting rich. Even during a recession, an economic recession, when it's all down, there are still people making money with it. A good example of this is The Big Short. If you haven't seen that movie, go ahead. It talks about the 2007-2008 crash and how people made millions and hundreds of millions of dollars during the recession. So the way this works is that about 90% of people lose money, right? Because they don't have the right knowledge, they don't have the right ideas when it comes to this. And the 10% of people who make money from this have the right tools, have the right mindset, and know what they're doing, to have the right knowledge and skills. And that's why you're here. You want to be part of the 10%. So I'm going to show you in today's video how to get to that part of 10% and how those 10% are making the money, right? And by the end of this video, you'll understand how to make money from this. And literally, when you stay until the end, you'll know step by step everything you have to do to make money today. Literally in 24 hours, by investing into cryptocurrency, you can make money with this. That's it. And this is not me talking out of my ass. We're going to be showing you straight up statistics. We're going to go over, read the graphs, technical analysis. We're going to show you all that. But it's very important that you stay until the end of this video. Do not skip it, because we're going to go over multiple steps. And if you even miss out on one single step, this isn't going to work for you. So make sure to stay until the end of this video. Watch it all. Do not skip it. So let's jump right into it. Now this is a software called CryptoCoin Pro. Don't worry, I'm not selling this to you right now or doing any of that. I'm just going to show you exactly what you're going to need and what to look at in order to make money from this. Now we're going to go over what this software is later on, but I'm just going to show you exactly how to make money with this. Now, what is important to see, a filter that is very important, is percent change in the last 24 hours. Now I like to set this filter as over 10%. Now this filter is set, so every single cryptocurrency right now is filtered to only the ones who have above a 10% change in the last 24 hours. So let's mark this down and see what's up. So here we have literally hundreds and hundreds of coins, cryptocurrencies, that in the last 24 hours have increased in price for at least 10%. Now this is very interesting over here to see, because let's just look at one of these coins. Let's just randomly look at these coins. I'm not saying this is a good investment or anything. I'm just gonna click on one of them and show you exactly what's happening. So you can see something over here. You see the red and the green. These are something called candlesticks. Now this is where the price goes up and goes down, right? Up is the green, down is the red. This isn't such a good example. I'm trying to go find another one that's pretty cool that we can clearly see. Okay, here. So this coin Xenon has increased 37% in the last 24 hours. That means in 24 hours, people who invest in this coin, the prices went up 37%. So if you put in $100, now it would have been $138, $137.68, right? So when we look at these coins right now, if you look in the last 24 hours, these little candlesticks over here has increased in price by over 38%. Over here as well, and 1 hour 4.89%. So if you bought this an hour ago, you would have been up 4.8%. Now having said that, just showing you guys this, just going back to the table over here, percent change, 10%. Just going back at this table, you can see that there's literally hundreds and hundreds of coins and investments that have gone up over the last 24 hours. So there are people who are investing in these coins right now, who are investing in cryptocurrency, and especially in these ones over here. There are people who invested in that, and there are people who are reaping the rewards from it, even when the market is slow. Right now, okay, it's mid-July again. The market is pretty shitty, but yet look at this. There are coins that are going up 200%, 100%, 50%, 40%. There's hundreds of coins going up above 10%, even in the last 24 hours. So this is the beautiful thing right now. There are still people making money with this. Now, why haven't you seen this? It's because you don't have this. You don't have a software that just shows you and tells you what the percent change is, what coins are going up, what coins are going down. Now, I wouldn't personally invest in anything I wouldn't personally invest only looking at percent change. I would like to also include volume in there as well. Volume also means the coins that is available for trade. So I like to put 1 million plus in volume, percent change over 10%. Now, when you do that, look at what happens. The hundreds and hundreds of coins narrow down into 4 or 5 coins, right? And this constantly keeps getting updated if new coins keep coming in, and everything is live. Everything is being updated live. Now, when you guys look at this, let's say this coin over here, okay, goes up in the last 24 hours, went up 40%. Over here, last 24 hours went 16%, 12%, 11.9%. When you look at all this, right, the volume is high. That means people are trading this, and the percent change is high as well. So this coin over here, this intrigues me right now. STX stocks. So by just hovering over, I can see the candlesticks very briefly, and you can see a little green candlestick going up. So that intrigues me. I want to see what's happening. So I want to click that right now, and I want to go into it. Now, I see in the last 24 hours, it went up over 40%, right? 40.8% in the last 24 hours. So this seems like a pretty interesting investment for me right now, because not only does it have volume, but it's starting to go up. Now, having said that, with this, I still want to do some more research based on what I want to see and based on other things rather than just the statistics. So I want to see what this coin is, what it does, who's it created by, whether or not it has a community behind it, and I can find out all that in this dashboard over here. So I want to see what exchange I can buy this on. First of all, it's on HitBTC, so that's great. In the last 24 hours, they traded over $684,000 of it, which is awesome. And I want to understand what this coin is. So if I want, I can go to their site over here and check it out. Or just briefly, I can just read it over here. Stokes is an open source Ethereum-based prediction market platform. Cool. So, and social media, I want to check it out as well. I want to see if it has any community behind it. So I want to go to their Twitter. This is their site, by the way. So I'm going to check this out later. They have over 14.5 thousand followers. So this is pretty badass because it has a community behind it. And there's a community that supports it. So it has a community behind it. The volume and percent change is what I want it to be. Now all I want to see, I'm just going to give the site a quick little read, maybe take 5 minutes of it, start reading it, see what it's about, and if I like it, everything is a thumbs up. Everything's a thumbs up. I'm going to check the Google Trends out as well. It's pretty steady, okay? So if it's a thumbs up, I'm going to go ahead and favor this coin. Whether I'm going to invest in it now and co-invest in it later, I'm probably going to wait another day or two just to be 100% sure that this is going up, right? But everything is going towards my favor right now. Everything. So I want to recap everything that I just went through again. The reason I'm showing you guys this, I don't see any other software or platform that does this, that shows that you can filter out all the coins based on volume and percent change. I don't see any other coin that does this, but I just wanted to show you guys this because people are still making money with this, and this is how they're doing it. There are still people making 200, 300, even sometimes even 400% their investment back in just 24 hours. That's absolutely incredible. Let's just check the percent change. Over 10%. Or just 5 to 10%. And it keeps going up like this. You can filter it down based on what you want to see. These are the two main ones that I look at. Percent change and volume. There's also coin rank, market cap as well if you want to get really in depth into this. We'll probably go more in depth in later videos. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit a notification bell. We're going to show you exactly how you can make money with this using different filters. But this is the main filter that I personally use, which is volume and percent change over 10%. Volume would be $1 million plus, percent change over 10%. And I look at the community, I look at what the coin does, and I look at who created the coin, the people behind it, the software, the developers, the people who's running it, the CEO, things like that. Now, having said that, guys, this is open for beta right now. So go to the description of this video, sign up for the beta. It's free for 30 days. In these 30 days, you can easily make your money back, like make money that covers the cost of this. So go ahead, sign up. It's free for 30 days. Go check it out and just try this out. Because people are still making money with this. Whether you know it or you don't, okay? People are still making money with this. The thing is, just you aren't. You're not the one making money with this. So go be the ones making money with this. You kind of need this in order to do that because you need to filter out the shitty coins. Because I'll be pretty honest, there's over 1,800 coins out there and counting that are pretty garbage, that are pretty shitty. Okay? You don't want those ones. You want to filter those out. And you filter those out by this. This is the easiest way you filter it out. And you have a 30-day free trial from it, so go do it. It's very simple. You filter out all the shit coins. Okay? Here you go. You're left with the best ones. Now, these ones keep changing consistently. Because it's percent change every 24 hours. Volume every 24 hours. And that's it. Now, having said that, this is just for trading every couple days, every 24 hours. Well, that's it, guys. You know what you gotta do. Make sure to subscribe, hit a notification bell. And if you haven't already, check out Crypto Coin Pro. We literally found a winning coin, found a winning investment in literally less than 5 minutes. We found it like that, instantly. So get your free trial. It's a 30 days, a full month completely free. That's an absolute no-brainer. Go check it out right now. And that's it. We just showed you how to make money with it and how people are still making money with cryptocurrency even in such a shit market. That's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit a notification bell. We will be coming out with a lot more videos, and that's it.